So I think that the Macau markets are very much tied to the economy in China. The economy in China appears to be softening, but it's not softening to such a degree that would explain the 40-50% loss in market cap that we've seen in this sector over the last few months.
Credit Suisse has put a price target of 104 on Wynn Resorts. You have a price target of 181. What makes you so bullish on this company?
Well, remember that 181 was based on our estimate of roughly 9% gross gaming revenues for 2019. I think that there has been some slowdown since we issued that estimate, and I think that there's been a rush to jump to cut estimates. We've spoken to both Wynn, Melco, MGM over in Macau. We don't think it's as bad as the market seems to be reflecting today, and so I think with a little bit of patience, we'll be able to get to a valuation that is still substantially above where we are today.
We also heard Wynn's CEO talking a little bit about the drag from baccarat that they were seeing in the softening numbers there, and he attributed that to the uncertainty in Asia as well. Do you think that we're going to get an impact from the China economy on Las Vegas?
I think you have in the baccarat space, but you have to be a little bit choosy about what company we're talking about, because Wynn certainly has greater exposure to the baccarat or high-end gaming than, say, MGM does. MGM's exposure to Asian baccarat in Las Vegas is probably no more than 2 or 3% of their total cash flow.
Hey, speaking of MGM, there's a lot of rumors going around about whether it's in the market to buy Caesars. I mean, certainly at these prices, these companies, Caesars, maybe even Wynn, could be the targets of takeovers. Do you see any of that happening?
I'm on record as not being a fan of the notion of MGM buying Caesars. I like both stocks, but MGM is in a position where it's going to be generating significant cash flow over the next 3 or 4 years without having to take on the very complex task of integrating an acquisition like Caesars. So yeah. I think it's nonsense.